Hi guys, so we are here almost end of a day. We have Shantanu with us. So we are discussing on the topic of the what is the importance of sketching as a medium of communication.
Steps. Yeah, uh, I think it is quite an important practice in today's context. So I think a lot of people are differing from the physical practice of exploring through sketches. So I think I mean rather than just developing it as a physical skill, it has a way to more importance in a creative field because it is somewhere directly relative to our perceptions, and our perceptions get better when we work with them, when we try to understand them better. And sketching is quite relative to that. See, we need to understand one thing: we have always been a communicative species.
Communication, I think, is one of the basic
Yes.
needs
So
of human
even
beings.
when we didn't have any language, any sort of even gestural language, we used to draw. We used
Yeah,
to
yeah.
communicate through shapes, symbols, drawings. In
So
caves, you must have
as the
seen.
first
Yeah.
medium of communication
Yes,
was always
definitely
sketching.
yes. So you see, even most of the time when you are sketching, you see something and you develop whatever that you have seen, as in what you have perceived, and you are always developing that. That idea, whatever that you are picking up from, and sketching or drawing that helps you retain that, right? So it is somewhere very connected to your muscle memories, your memory retention, and as well as understanding something that we see from like directly how we perceive things. So I think definitely sketching is something way more important than it's just you think is a physical skill, because it is somewhere you establish a relationship and you learn from.
So if I would be speaking a different language, like and you are speaking a different language, I want something I can sketch and show it to you.
Yes,
So
definitely.
it's as simple as that.
Yeah, it's very communicative, right? So I think definitely yes. And in today's context, I would definitely tell this to younger generations that they are willing to perceive this creative fields as their career options or their future endeavor. One thing is really important, that you have the practice of sketching, drawing. You develop your ideas on a daily basis. You document it on a daily basis, and you develop the sense of that association, and that is why sketching and drawing is really important. Yep.
All right. Thank you. See you guys in the
Thank you
next
so
one.
much.